There is a timeless allure to corned beef. A culinary staple celebrated for its savory depth and tender texture, it represents a perfect marriage of tradition and technology. But behind every satisfying bite lies a story of meticulous craftsmanship and scientific precision. Get ready to sink your teeth into the mouth-watering world of corned beef as we unveil the fascinating journey from pristine pastures to your plate. This is not just about preserving meat, it's about transforming it through a carefully orchestrated process where every single detail matters. We'll explore how careful sourcing, precise chemistry, and controlled industrial processing come together to create this iconic delicacy. The story begins, as all great food stories do, at the source. The journey to exceptional corned beef starts with sourcing the finest beef from cattle raised in specific regions renowned for their superior production. Our producers work directly with dedicated local farms and trusted suppliers who share a commitment to quality and sustainable practices. The health and diet of the cattle are paramount, as they directly influence the final product's flavor and tenderness. The most coveted cuts for corned beef are the brisket and the round. The brisket in particular is prized for its unique structure. It's a well-exercised muscle, rich in connective tissue and long muscle fibers. While this might make it tough if cooked quickly, it's precisely this composition that makes it the perfect candidate for the long, slow process of curing and cooking. This process will break down that tough collagen into luscious, melt-in-your-mouth gelatin, infusing the meat with flavor and moisture. Only the best cuts, those that meet stringent criteria for marbling, color, and texture, will make the cut. This rigorous selection process is the foundational step, ensuring a final product that is consistently second to none. Once the selected beef arrives at the processing facility, it enters a world of uncompromising quality control. Each cut undergoes a rigorous inspection to ensure it meets our strict standards for freshness, temperature, and appearance. Nothing is left to chance. Skilled butchers and advanced automated systems then work in perfect harmony. The first task is trimming. Excess fat and tough connective tissue are carefully removed. This is a crucial step, not just for aesthetic reasons, but for the curing process itself. The goal is to create a cut of uniform thickness. This uniformity is key to ensuring that the brine, the heart of the curing process, can penetrate the meat evenly, guaranteeing consistent flavor, color, and texture throughout the entire brisket. It's a delicate balance of human skill and machine precision, preparing the canvas for the artistry to come. Now, it's time for the magic to happen. This is where the beef begins its transformation into corned beef. The soul of this process is the brine, a special recipe perfected over generations. Our master curers blend a symphony of spices, including pungent mustard seeds, fragrant coriander, spicy peppercorns, warm cloves, and earthy bay leaves. These are combined with coarse salt, which is essential for drawing out moisture and preserving the meat. A small amount of sugar is often added to balance the saltiness and aid in browning during the final cooking stage. But the most critical ingredient is a precise mixture of sodium nitrite and sodium nitrate. These curing salts are the key to corned beef's signature characteristics. The beef is then completely submerged in this carefully calibrated brine mixture. The fats are gently agitated to ensure every surface of the meat is in constant contact with the curing solution. Here, in these chilled tanks, the beef will rest for several days, sometimes up to a week. During this time, a remarkable transformation occurs. The salt and spices slowly permeate the muscle fibers, tenderizing the proteins and infusing the meat with its iconic, complex flavor. Throughout this entire period, the environment is meticulously controlled. The meat is kept at a constant, low temperature, just above freezing, typically around 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. This prevents spoilage, while allowing the curing agents to work their magic slowly and evenly. The sodium nitrite plays a crucial role here. It not only acts as a preservative, inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria, but it also reacts with the myoglobin in the meat. This chemical reaction fixes the color, creating the stable, signature pinkish-red hue that we associate with perfectly cured corned beef. The result is a product that is not only safe and flavorful, but also visually appealing. After the curing is complete, the beef is removed from the brine and thoroughly rinsed to remove any excess salt from the surface. The next stage is cooking, a slow and patient process designed to achieve ultimate tenderness. The briskets are cooked to perfection in large industrial steam ovens or kettles. This method provides a gentle, moist heat that is ideal for breaking down the tough connective tissues we talked about earlier. Once cooked, the beef is carefully moved from the ovens to a cooling area. A conveyor belt carries the steaming briskets into a blast chiller, where steam dissipates rapidly. An infrared camera checks the surface temperature as the meat begins to cool. This gradual cooling process is just as important as the cooking. It allows the meat to firm up, making it easier to handle and slice, and helps it to reabsorb some of the flavorful juices, developing its signature, satisfying texture. With the corned beef cooked and cooled, it's ready for its final presentation. The meat is then sliced, chunked, or shredded, depending on the desired final product. For deli-style servings, our precision slicing machines are a marvel of engineering. Using laser guides and incredibly sharp blades, they ensure that every single slice is perfectly uniform, guaranteeing a consistent experience for the consumer. Whether destined for a classic sandwich or a gourmet platter, consistency is key. Packaging is the final step in preserving the quality that has been so carefully cultivated. The finished product is packaged in airtight containers or cans. Advanced techniques like vacuum sealing and modified atmosphere packaging, which often involves a nitrogen flush, are used to remove oxygen. This prevents oxidation, extending the shelf life and protecting the delicate flavor and color of the meat without the need for additional preservatives. From the quality control weight check to the final palletizing robot, every step is designed to deliver a perfect product, ready to be enjoyed by consumers worldwide. From the open range to the final package, the journey of corned beef is a remarkable testament to the synergy between age-old culinary tradition and cutting-edge modern technology. It's a process defined by patience, precision, and a deep respect for the raw ingredient. Each step, from selection and trimming to curing, cooking, and packaging, is a critical link in a chain forged to create exceptional flavor and quality. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of corned beef. The story of our food is often as rich and complex as its flavor. If you have any questions or comments about this process, please leave them below. Your input and curiosity matter to us. We'd also love to hear your ideas for our next video, so share your suggestions in the comments, and we'll be sure to recognize your contribution. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the fascinating stories behind everyday things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more captivating content. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more, click the next video right here.